In a story the ABC 7i team has been following, murder-for-hire charges have been filed against Adel Daoud. The suburban teen was already in jail waiting to be tried on terrorism charges. Today, he again appeared in court.
It's an absurd plot on its face. This is a 19-year-old kid who has no money. When you see what the terms of the so-called payment for the solicitation are, you'll laugh out loud.
The 19-year-old from Hillside is already facing terrorism charges for attempting to bomb a downtown Chicago bar. He was arrested in a federal sting last September for allegedly trying to ignite the bomb in a jihadist plot, a case in which he also pleaded not guilty.
My understanding is this is some type of street gang leader, jailhouse informant, the most unreliable type of witness that courtrooms have ever seen.
Durkin says this latest alleged plot took place last November in the Kankakee County Jail, where a gang leader approached Daoud in his cell. Prosecutors say Daoud wanted an undercover FBI agent who supplied him with what he thought was an explosive device to be killed. In court today, U.S. Magistrate Daniel Martin asked Daoud if he understood the charges against him. Daoud laughed, shrugged, and said, "I guess." After a word with his lawyer, he smiled and repeatedly waved at the judge, saying, "Yes, yes."
I think if you just watch his demeanor, it almost proves what I'm saying in terms of how naive he is and how gullible he is. His affect is certainly off. He seems to have a happy-go-lucky attitude in front of the judge. He waves to Judge Coleman all the time.
When asked if he meant that his client was mentally ill, Durkin replied,
"I'm suggesting that that's an issue we're exploring."
Daoud's attorney and prosecutors are discussing combining the murder-for-hire and terrorism charges into one case. Daoud faces a potential life sentence if he's convicted on the terrorism charges. That trial is to begin in April.